Yo, what is up, attackers? And today I'm just going to play a little bit of Animal Company, and I have my color, so it's pretty perfect. But I have $3,000, and if I have calculations, my calculations are correct. Where is it? Where the freak did it go? I could kill monster. So I'm going to try and kill the red light, green light thing. Wish me luck, boys. Wish me. This is going to be a very stressful process. So if you like me doing it, if you want to see more Animal Company on this channel, I wouldn't mind if you could subscribe, because, well, it helps me, well, be happy. And, well, I mean, if you want to make your favorite content creator happy, that's the way to do it. So, crap, there's an update. Oh no, I don't know where anything is. Oh, I'm flipped. Alright, so if I scream in this video, don't comment wimp. I hate horror games. Okay, the bird is still here. I mean, I think I'm gonna just get the bird egg and book it. Cause why not? What the is in the middle now? Crap. Turn my volume down, boys. Easy money right there. And after that, there's nothing in my way. It's going to be a short episode of me doing a little thing in an Animal Company. It's just a bird up there. That's it. Probably lost money from doing this. So please consider subscribing. Please consider. I already said it, but I don't know this one. Alright, bet. That's my even as the bird egg. I got the same amount of money. No way. Alright, if you buy a grenade and then get a bird egg, I get $1 more. So this video I kind of made $1. I could be on this wall if you get me to 10K, because that's when I get Discord. But like the best one, whoever this is, please comment. This is beautiful artwork. I'm not saying anyone else's is bad or anything, but it's just beautiful. Like that hits the asterisk. And there's been some new ones. That's been there. I think that's the mimic, not kick. It's like up here. Yeah, that one with the monkey. That's different. So they change every little bit. And colors. Yeah, there's just colors backpacks. It's not that special. But consider subscribing. And monkey. My main goal is to blow up. Subscribe.